Honestly, at the very beginning, you have to understand that these people are trying to pull at heartstrings whenever they talk about rape victims, and you have to tread very carefully. Obviously, because people that are pro-abortion assume that they care more about the mother than they do the child, they assume that we care more about the child than we do the mother. The problem is we care about both, and we can care about both at the same time. You have to understand that killing that little baby, that innocent child, is not going to heal the rape. It's not going to heal the trauma. It's only going to add more violence to the situation. And responding to that situation with more violence is not going to help anyone.